Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Without wasting any more time, as we are already late in our postings, let's get back to the situation. Really thankful to God and then the team. We have saved our equity yesterday. The decision was right to take the extreme, and buying from 1917 is safe now. The time I am writing this price is at 23.6% 1920, and a possible double top may initiate. However, we are very near to our 50 pip and might get it before the decline, or in another case BE hits. We are still safe. There is a clear death cross in H1 but a golden cross in H4, and SMA 200 1917 in day 1 is at support. Again, we are mixed sentiment that price may break or get rejected from there. I am still with extreme bottom and top to decide an entry. A sell from 50% 1927 is attracting me, and a buy on return from 0% 1915. But with too much precautions, as my eyes are still at 1913 and now 1903. Because week 1 and monthly time frames both are bearish and their respective support is at 1903. So take care and be very precautive. We may experience certain reversals, retracements and certain changes during the session, so stay in touch with the group and keep your eyes on the updates and the discussions and the charts given by other admins. We are going to decide in the group how to deal with gold today. Take care.